All right, first look. Top Stadium Club, EPL. Helge. Good luck, buddy. Helge, and Merry Christmas to you, man. You guys got anything, put the base cards, of course. You guys got anything good going on for the holidays? Lots of drinking? Okay, next time you come back here, we gotta go back to Hooters, buddy. Drinking and casino? I mean, that's a win-win right there. Are you kidding me? That's like my dream day. Oh, nice, man. Be safe. All right, box number 1. Hey, there's Harry Kane. Jermaine Defoe. That guy's still going. Branislav Ivanovic. Gold parallel, not numbered. Lukaku. Eden Hazard. That's a cool looking Harry Kane. It's actually a real cool looking card. Diego Costa. Olivier Giroud. And Tom Cleverley autograph. Everton. Alexis Sanchez. Nice. Trying to go to the National 2017. Awesome, man. Oscar. Memphis Depay. Dimitri Payet. Another Hazard. It's number to 50. Riyad Mahrez. Jamie Vardy. Jack Wilshere. Christian Benteke. Sturridge. Danny Ali. Kevin De Bruyne. Branislav Ivanovic. Another Memphis Depay. Kevin De Bruyne. Gold border. Lukaku. Wayne Rooney. Oh, nice Wayne Rooney. Insert. And autograph coming up. And it is Nathaniel Klein. Liverpool. Alright, decent first box. Number 2. What's the autograph we're going for out of this? Does Lawton have autos in this one? Dennis Bergkamp. Yeah, so, Scotty, I said 150 if you guys want to do that. 4 spots. Nobody threw a 1 down yet, though. Harry Kane. Diego Costa to 50. John Terry. Lewandowski. Firmino. Peter Cech. Wayne Rooney. Olivier Giroud. Oscar. Nathan Dyer. Autograph. Swansea. Hazard, Mesut Ozil. Sergio Aguero. And Johan Berg Gudmundsson. Burnley. Shaqiri, De Bruyne. Jordan Henderson, Harry Kane. And a base. Alright, buddy. I appreciate it. If I can get you anything else, let me know.